Okay, hi guys, it's me, Roman, and today I got my homemade DVD. I'll just pretend I got something from Roblox. So here it is. Let me show you. Come on! Oh, there we go. That not bad, but good. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is Talking Tom Time Rush, the movie on DVD. It's the front, spine, DVD, and the back with Universal Pictures, Warner Bros., New Line Cinema, 20th Century Fox, and Outfit 7. Got those episodes. Let's get opened up. Hold up, I got the scissors. And I gotta take this plastic off because I'm watching Oddbots. Hold up. Just put my phone here and okay, here it comes and woo! And woo! Wow, this is about the same article for wrapping this. Here it is. Put that in the Xbox. Let's see. Wow. And this is so cool. And here's the disc with Talking Tom and oh, look, DVD screen with Tom's little brother Ginger. And hopefully I'm just gonna open this up and thanks for watching, guys. Yeet!